first time I was ever called a bitch has been imprinted on my mind. And it really affected me. It was when I was around 13 years old. And I didn't do anything wrong looking back, but it really shook me to have someone say it with such vitriol hate.
Mhm.
And I really questioned who I was and what kind of person I was in that moment. But I think over time, it has completely lost its meaning. It's not something that you hear often in Asia. You might hear kids say like, oh, the B word, but it's
Mhm.
not something that is as powerful. I think the most often I come across it now is on social media because I am still connected to Western reels and posts and whatnot. And it's been interesting seeing it being reclaimed and being used as a term of endearment now more than anything.
Yeah. Yeah. It's certainly how I use it. I mean, efficiency bitch together, those two words together was a love language
Yeah.